Hi there, I'm Rai from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the angled shelf racking system. So the tools that we're going to need are an impact driver with a 6mm Allen key on it, a PH2 Phillips bit, and finally a soft hammer. So we have everything laid out now. We're going to start by assembling the top shelf, and to do that we have the base, which we're going to slot into the back. So the rough side is the side that you're going to see, and the smooth side is going to be on the outside. That applies to the base of the shelf and the back of the shelf. However, on the sides, that's these sections here, the smooth side is the side that you're going to see, and the rough side is the side that you're not going to see. So that's going to go across there. Now to assemble the shelf, like I say, we'll lift that up to the shelf and slot it into place, and then just going to tap that down with the hammer. Now from this position, we're going to lift up the shelf and slot that into the grooves on the side panel. So once we've got that slotted in, we're just going to tap it down into place, and then grab the other side panel and tap that into place as well. Remembering when you put the side panel on, the rough side is a bit that is facing you towards the outside. While we have it stood up like this, we have 2 screws to go in the side panel, and that is to secure the base and the back to this actual side panel itself. Now we'll do the same process on the opposite side. Now from here, I'm going to lay it onto the top edge and put 2 screws in the back. Now flip that onto its base, and once this is done, we can move on to the other 3 shelves and repeat the same process again. We have all the shelves assembled now and ready to start putting them onto the side rails. Now, as this is adjustable, you can put them in any position that you would like. It's entirely up to you. I'm just going to start from the bottom and work my way up. Again, this is entirely up to whatever your preference is as to where you put them on the rail. Just make sure that the rail, the side that you see, is the rough side is on the inside and the smooth side is on the outside. So to orientate the shelf, we have the flat side on the front edge of the shelf, and then if we go over to the side panel, we have the flat edge there. Both of these flat panels want to be on the same part. Once that's in position, we can insert our Allen headed bolts. Now we can repeat the process another 3 times. Now that they're on, I'm going to grab the other panel and do the same again. So when placing your panel on, just make sure that the panel is in line with the other side, so your shelving unit is not lopsided. Once we are happy that our panel is lined up with our shelves, we can then go on to inserting the screws from underneath out. And this completes the assembly of the adjustable angled racking. Thank you for watching.